Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on counting backward and forward. Sometimes it is useful to count back from a number. This is similar to subtraction. Also, there is merit in being able to count forward. This is like addition. Example 1. John had 12 golf balls. He gave 4 to Bill. How many did he have left? Now here are the 12 golf balls. You can see them quite clearly. To count back, we just take away one golf ball at a time. In this case, we take away 4 golf balls, one at a time. So we start off with 12, that's what he had. We take one away, that gives us 11. So that's one we've taken away. So now we've got 11, we take another one away, that gives us 10. That's 2 we've taken away. Now that we're at 10, we take another one away, that gives us 9. So you can see that's 3 we've taken away. See those 3 marks? So we end up with 9. Now from 9 we take one more away to give us 8, and look at that. We've taken 4 away, okay, and we're left with 8. The above is exactly the same as counting backwards 4 times. That is, you start at 12 and you go 11, 10, 9, 8. One more way you could do it, if you wanted to, you could just cross off 4 golf balls. That's like counting backwards. See that? And let's see how many we've got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's a lot of different ways of doing it. Example 2. Mary owns 7 books and she received another 5 books for her birthday. How many books does she have now? Here are the 7 books. If we count forward from 7, one at a time, we get 7 plus 1 equals 8. We've added 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. We've added 2. 9 plus 1 equals 10. We've added 3. 10 plus 1 equals 11. We've added 4. And 11 plus 1 equals 12. So now she has 12 books. This is the same as counting forward 5 times. So we start off at 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's another way of doing it. So she ends up with 12 books. This is a very interesting one. Example 3. During a board game with numbers, Tom's red counter was on spot number 22. There it is there. See that? Tom's red counter is on spot number 22. There it is there. That's the arrow, meaning that's the start. That's where this problem's going to start. There. Ted's black counter was on spot number 8. So there's Ted and there's the arrow. That's where the problem's going to start from there. After throwing 2 dice each, Tom had to move forward 7 spaces and Ted had to move backward 5 spaces. So, let's start off with Tom. He threw 2 dice, added all the numbers up, and he had to move forward 7 spaces. So there's Tom here, see? So let's go forward 7 spaces. So we're counting on. So we're going in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there he is. He ends up at 29. Now up here what we've done, he started off at 22, see? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So he finishes up on number 29. So he has moved forward 7 spaces. Now what happened to Ted? Ted had to move backward 5 spaces. Right, he had to move backward 5 spaces. So there's Ted. So let's go backward 5 spaces. This is 8, so we're going backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he finishes on number 3. So he was on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is just a very simple way of counting forwards and backwards, and it just gives you another option when you're doing subtraction and addition.